Welcome to our guide on tackling bad breath naturally. Whether you're dealing with occasional morning breath or chronic halitosis, finding effective solutions at home can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore 14 simple yet powerful home remedies to freshen your breath and boost your confidence. From kitchen staples to herbal remedies, we've got you covered. Say goodbye to embarrassment and hello to fresh, minty breath with these tried and tested methods. Here are 14 home remedies for bad breath. Number 1. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your mouth moist and wash away odor-causing bacteria. Number 2. Herbal teas. Sip on herbal teas like peppermint or green tea, known for their antibacterial properties that can help freshen breath. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Chew on citrus fruits like oranges or lemons to stimulate saliva production and neutralize odors. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Gargle with a solution of diluted apple cider vinegar to kill bacteria and balance pH levels in the mouth. Number 5. Baking soda. Brush your teeth or rinse your mouth with a mixture of water and baking soda to reduce acidity and eliminate odors. Number 6. Parsley. Chew on fresh parsley leaves to naturally freshen breath due to its chlorophyll content. Number 7. Cloves. Chew on cloves or use clove oil as a mouthwash to kill bacteria and mask bad breath. Number 8. Yogurt. Consume yogurt with live active cultures to rebalance the bacteria in your mouth and improve breath odor. Number 9. Fennel seeds. Chew on fennel seeds after meals to freshen breath and aid digestion. Number 10. Green vegetables. Include green vegetables like spinach and kale in your diet, which are rich in chlorophyll and help deodorize the mouth. Number 11. Cinnamon. Chew on cinnamon sticks or use cinnamon powder in your oral hygiene routine to kill bacteria and freshen breath. Number 12. Oil pulling. Swish coconut oil or sesame oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes to reduce bacteria and improve oral hygiene. Number 13. Saltwater rinse. Gargle with a warm saltwater solution to reduce bacteria and soothe oral tissues. Number 14. Chewing gum. Opt for sugar-free chewing gum containing xylitol, which stimulates saliva production and helps wash away food particles and bacteria. Remember to maintain good oral hygiene practices, such as brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing daily, and visiting your dentist regularly, to effectively combat bad breath. Please click the subscribe button to see our next video. Thank you.